So you're managing social media with a team, and you want everyone in Buffer. Let's talk about how to add users to your Buffer organization and what it looks like to be one. If you're the owner of an organization, just head to your team's settings and click Invite a new user. Add their email, and if you need help managing billing or adding and removing users or channels, you have the option to make anyone in your Buffer organization an admin. Choose the channels they should have access to, and set their permissions for each channel. You have the option of full posting access, which allows them to schedule posts straight to the queue, or approval required access, which means that someone with full posting access will need to take the final step of approving the post before it's officially scheduled to the queue. So what happens when you send the invitation? Your teammate gets the email invite in their inbox. If they don't have a Buffer account yet, we'll make one for them. Once they're in, they'll see the channels you gave them access to on the left-hand side. They can get right to it. As a team member on a Buffer organization, if you aren't seeing the channels you expected, just chat with your admin and they can help fix it up. If you're in more than one organization, or if you've connected your own personal channels to your free plan, just switch between the organizations using the drop-down menu accessed through your avatar in the upper right. User permissions can be updated or removed at any time. It's all flexible, so your team setup can grow and change with you. If you need support at any time, just click the Help button in the lower right of your dashboard or from the Help Center.